Are you wondering how much it costs to start dropshipping? $100? $1,000? In this video, we will calculate how much you need to start dropshipping business on WordPress depending on your needs. My name is Alicia and welcome to the AliDropship channel. Our AliDropship plugin helps turn any WordPress site into a dropshipping store. You can learn more by following this link. Today we're going to talk about how much a dropshipping startup costs in 2020. There are many ways to start a dropshipping store, but we at AliDropship prefer WordPress. Why? Because a website built on WordPress fully belongs to you, giving you total control and ownership over your business. Do you already have a WordPress site? Then watch till the end to learn how to start a dropshipping business without breaking a bank. Now let's find out how much dropshipping costs in 2020. Minimum budget, about $150. To start a dropshipping website, you will need these elements: a domain name, hosting, CMS, dropshipping software. This is the absolute minimum of what you need to start. You can get a domain name for your website on GoDaddy.com or Namecheap.com. Simply type an ID into the search field to see various suggestions for names. Most of them will cost you about $10 for the first year. Just keep in mind that the price will increase after the first year. Okay, so domain name will cost about $10. Next, you will need to pay for hosting. Hosting is a service that provides you with the resources required to show your site on the internet. Simply speaking, it's a server you rent to run a website. You can either find a hosting service on your own or use one of AliDropship's offers designed specifically for dropshipping business. Choose our silver plan if you want to minimize your dropshipping startup costs as much as possible. This plan provides enough capacity to start a business and will cost you only $48 for the first year. And again, don't forget that you'll need to pay for the hosting each year after. So we've got your domain name and server out of the way. Now you can create an actual website, but to do that, you're going to need a CMS, which is a content management system. At AliDropship, we recommend using WordPress since it's absolutely free and simple to use. You can download WordPress from the WordPress website to use it as a basis for your store. And since it's free, you pay nothing. We're almost ready to go. The last thing you'll need is some sort of software that can turn a simple website into a dropshipping store. It's critical to have this to avoid repetitive manual work in finding suppliers and importing them to your website. Our AliDropship plugin is your best bet. Count on it to automate many tasks such as searching for suppliers and importing product imagery and descriptions. For a one-time payment of only $89, the AliDropship plugin simplifies the complexity of setting up products for your website. There is no subscription or additional fees. One payment, one super convenient solution, and we provide you with lifetime customer support. So, adding all those up, a dropshipping startup in 2020 costs only $147. That's a small investment to make for a fully functional, fully customizable business. After installing the plugin, adding your desired products to sell and designing your website, you will have a professional web shop ready to entice customers and bring in orders. Now, if you have some extra budget to spend, let's see how much dropshipping will cost if you elevate your AliDropship services. If you don't want to set up the AliDropship plugin, website server, domain, and all that by yourself, simply leave it to our team. AliDropship will create a dropshipping store based on your ideas from scratch. We call this our custom dropshipping stores. In this case, you will still have to pay $48 for the first year of hosting, but now on top of a fee of $299 for the entire creation of a custom store. For $299, our basic package includes all the elements necessary to start a dropshipping store, such as the AliDropship plugin, a domain name, a free website theme, payment gateways, 50 products within the niche you choose, and much more. So, if you add up the hosting costs with the custom store fee, starting a dropshipping business with our team's help will cost you $347. It's much more than $147, but if you have the budget for it, why not? One payment makes you the owner of your own dropshipping store. You won't have to pay any additional fees except for yearly hosting and the domain fee. You can learn more about our custom stores from one of our previous videos. And finally, if you don't want to start your business from scratch, even with our help, AliDropship has an easy solution for you. fully functional established stores. These sites are not just niche targeted and designed with hot selling products, but each website already brings in monthly revenue and visitor traffic. Visit our site to learn more about this offer and the various costs. How to start dropshipping with zero costs. Okay, you must be thinking how we can go from $379 to zero cost. Hey, it's possible if you have a WordPress website. See why I recommend it as your CMS? Install our DropshipMe plugin, which allows you to import up to 50 selected and pre-edited AliExpress products from the curated product database for free. Yes, zero cost for 50 neat product pages of expert selected, high-volume selling items so you can start a marketing campaign right away. The DropshipMe doesn't require anything aside from having WordPress as your site platform. 50 high sellers for no money is a steal. If you see success with these free product ads, remember you can always get more handpicked items by buying additional packages. And if the 50 free items don't work out for you too well, hey, there is no loss for you. Intrigued by our 4 tiers of dropshipping costs today? Be sure to click the link in the description box to learn more. I will also leave a link below to download a free dropshipping guide for beginners. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave the comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on bell notifications to learn more about dropshipping and stay in touch with us. See you next week. Bye!